Welcome to our channel USA Hardware Tools Store, where every cut matters. Meet your new go-to tool for precision and power, the DEWALT 7¼ circular saw. This isn't just any circular saw, it's a game changer. Weighing in at only 8.8 pounds, it's one of the lightest in its class. But don't let its weight fool you, this beast is packed with power. Whether you're ripping through plywood, cutting framing lumber, or making precise crosscuts, the DEWALT DWE575 delivers with a powerful 15-amp motor that spins the blade at 5,200 RPM. It's fast, it's smooth, and it's precise, just what you need for those perfect cuts every time. And when it comes to versatility, the 57-degree bevel capacity with stops at 45 and 22.5 degrees gives you the flexibility to tackle any angle, any project. From complex angles to simple straight cuts, this saw has you covered. Depth adjustments? Easy. The saw offers a depth of cut at 2 9/16 inches, making it perfect for thick materials. And with its integrated dust blower, your line of sight remains clear, ensuring accuracy from start to finish. Lightweight, powerful, and compact, this saw is designed for the pro on the go. It's easy to carry, easy to store, and ready for action whenever you are. The DEWALT 7¼ circular saw. Power, precision, and performance in the palm of your hand. Get yours today and make every cut count. If you want to get information about this product or want to buy it, go to the video description.